Welcome to my channel. My name is Nadina Antoinette, popping like a bottle of Moet. Let's get into these fall-inspired acrylic nails. If you've been following my channel for a bit, you know that I love a good press-on set, but there's something about a good acrylic set that just does something for me that press-ons simply don't do. I am in the beginner stages of learning how to do acrylics, so I did not spend a ton of money on acrylic powders. I ended up finding an acrylic collection by Nicole Diary. It comes with like 36 little acrylics, a ton of different colors, just something nice to play with. And I was playing around with this color and I did a nail and I was like, ooh, this is cute. Let's do a full set. So this is my first time actually attempting a full set of acrylics. Toes, nails, the whole shebang. So let's be clear, this is not a tutorial. This is more of a, uh, I guess everything I did wrong and trust the process because it still came out, I would say, fairly well considering this is like my first shot at doing this. I struggled immensely with the beads. Sometimes they were too wet, sometimes they were too dry. There's less of a learning curve working with polygels. I've used them plenty of times in the past. However, I just didn't want to have to keep going in and out of the lamp. And I feel like acrylics are just a little bit faster in that regard. Unfortunately, I did have a bit of trouble getting my nails to stick on after the process, but I think that's because I don't have a full collection of prep products. I only have the nail dehydrant. I ran out of the primer, and I did see also something about a protein bonder or something like that that's also included in the prep for acrylics. So I think once I get those things, my nails will have more longevity. On the plus side, though, they popped off like press-ons. So all I had to do was use my handy dandy glue and we were we were back in action, baby. I will be sure to list all of the products I use down in the description. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up simply because I showed y'all my baby toe. We are locked in now. Okay? That's a very intimate thing. So you might as well go ahead and subscribe too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it and stick around because we're going to be playing with acrylics more. I hope you guys enjoyed spending this process with me. See, they came out very cutesy, very demure. Not too much, just something simple. Thanks so much for watching.